Turkmenistan.
Yeah, thank you. Yine bizim çäremiz. Pişmeye geç olur. Lekin böyle milli atlamada köp değil, yer yok o zaman. Hadi zap ettik. Ne verdi? Özet dostluğumuz, doğullamız.
Assalamu alaikum Turkmenistan.
Ve aleyküm selam. Bu da İran. Yine komşumuz Özbekistan'ın. Yine Brezilya bilen. Ne? Naharlamız. Ne özet halavi. Somsosu. Ne baklavamız var.
Do you need this one?
Do y'all need this? Anyone need this?
Ne rekin? Ne pizza da var. Ne Türk baklavası var. ALSA'nın prezidenti. Yeni görüp yine baktım ola Samir'in kitabı. Havura koydum çarşırıp. Yine. Peki. Adamlar gelip başladı.
Welcome to Turkmenistan.
Yeah, thank you.
academic year. Thank you, Dean Berg. And now we'll have our lovely Dean, Professor Greenwood, to have a few words.
Thank you so much. It is so wonderful to be here today. This is such an exciting exciting event. I just want to commend Nora and the ALSA team that has made this possible. You have come such a long ways over the last 2 years, and this is such a wonderful event, so much sharing, good food, beautiful, beautiful objects and clothes from other countries, and the opportunity to be together. So especially, I want to say it's important in this challenged world that we continue to keep and form and embrace our global community. So thank you so much, and thank you, Nora. Yay, and your team. Are they going to stand up? Oh, maybe they're already standing. Ooh, where's your team? Yeah, will the ALSA team please come forward so that we can acknowledge you? So once again, enjoy yourselves, and let's take a nice